Hey YouTube, in our camper we have a 259 BHS Shadow Cruiser, and one of the things we noticed while we were out camping is this doesn't like to open. Awesome. Anyway, brought the camper brand new. We've only taken it out a couple times, but long story short, these screws are loose. Self-tapping here, and we're just gonna do the old toothpick trick. Get a toothpick in there and kind of snap it there and screw these back in and see how that goes. Alrighty, fixed it. As you can tell, got a little wood there, a little bit there, but compared to what I'm trying to solve, I mean, I really don't care. I just want the thing to open and close, so try it now. This is over. Alrighty, so we got them screwed back in, right here and here. Looks pretty good. You can tell there's toothpicks right there, but they'll come off in time. Anyway, just trying to solve this particular problem. There we go. Finally, after 1,000 tries. But yeah, if you run into that problem, check it out. Check that everything's screwed in nice and tight. One thing we've noticed in these campers, everything's kind of gotta be pretty level and screwed in for it to work correctly. If not, it definitely won't. We've had issues with our door as well, but anyhow, if you have any questions, definitely leave them below. Things that you've fixed or might have questions on in your camper. But once again, this is a 259 BHS Shadow Cruiser.